Wow! Is that a special delivery?
Happy delivery!
Wow, thank you so much! And look what I have. I have cucumbers. I have watermelon too, and some flowers. Wow! Thank you so much, my dear girl.
I'll give you these two.
Wow, what a great Mother's Day. Thank you. All right. I'll get started. Okay, so, well, welcome to my garden. So today I'm going to be planting some. Wow, this is basil. Smells really good and it goes well with spaghetti, and kids love spaghetti. They love anything. Basil, you can go with anything. So I use this shovel to really plant. So I'm going to plant it. Let me start with watermelon. I'll put this on a table. All right. Today I have watermelon. And these watermelon are really supposed to get really big. I didn't get this from seed. I bought it from green leaf. Just so you know, I tried to grow some, but watermelon didn't do good. So the way how I'm going to plant this, the best thing about watermelon is they grow so long that they need a big space. So I'm going to plant these. Actually, these are my peppers. I have peppers and corn. So I'm going to plant my watermelon just the beginning here, so it will grow going this way, right? It makes a long trail. So I'll dig a small hole right here. So you just put in like that, and it's good to go, right? So there were 2 in one bin. Now I have another one. Another one also, I'm gonna find another corner. I have to teach my daughter not to pull them out because sometimes they just go straight and put up your stuff. But so far she's been really good, not putting out my things, which is good. So you do the same thing. So you're gonna end, you get out and put it in just like that. Planting is really easy. For me as a gardener, the hardest part I've seen in gardening is really weeding. Weeding is so hard. So what we are trying to do this year is to make sure we put water only in a bed area. So my husband did this actually last week. Look at that. We installed these systems, you see? So it's putting water only where you want it to go. You can move it where you want it. And so what our plan is to make sure that we don't water where the weeds are. We water only in a bed, and we hope that, you know, this will die without having water. And easily I can come later, just dig it out just like that and dig it out. So I have to do that to all of them. And it's the same right here. You see, we have system here going in my peas. So we have the water system there going. See, my peas is really growing every day. Look at that, it's tall. See, so I just need to get a pole up so they can just grow going on it. So yeah, this is it for today. What I'm doing today, just planting all my stuff in. And thanks for watching.